can be in her live.
Heck, guys. Yeah, I could be going live right now. I'm not. Wait,
Is this
second
a
door.
YouTube channel?
Yes, this is for my YouTube channel.
Hello, guys.
Guys, this is my prick friend, Dennis. You guys have probably met him before if you guys have watched my broadcasts.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you guys gotta download you now and look up Crystal Hope is 450.
And look up my YouTube channel, which she'll put down in the description.
I'm gonna hit you right in the freaking head. There's somebody here that doesn't want to be on camera, so.
Exactly, because he's a little pansy.
Yes!
I love these.
I agree with both of them right now. The whole thing what just happened with him and then Dennis calling him a pansy. Well, they're sitting here playing Minecraft and I want to make a YouTube video and Dennis grabs his phone. We're gonna make a YouTube video. I want to know you're waiting till mine's done. So. I just licked his thing.
Clean it up.
Clean it up.
Your face.
My act? No.
Your face.
No. Bed. I'll kill you.
Watch this. I'm gonna jump really far.
I will kill you. No! I said a minute.
Put them back, please. Some of them are important cards. And quit getting my safe.
You wouldn't. No, you're such an ass. Whoops.
Stop.
It's my channel, not yours.
Watch this.
I'm probably still getting yelled at, but. Oh no, he's gonna bounce on us. Oh, I so thought he was gonna miss.
Freaking hate you. I'm destroying your igloo if you don't quit.
No, you don't. You love him.
Ew.
There's a bromance.
Ew. That's nasty.
Hug it out. Just hug it out.
That's nasty.
Hug it out.
I don't even like him.
Ah! Cameron, I bet you feel loved.
No, he doesn't. Not like me.
Someone
Never.
out there loves you, Cameron. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
And I know
Yeah, who's that?
who.
I wonder who's that.
Gabby.
What?
Nothing.
It's a freaking phone.
Savannah said, ew, gross. And
Tell her you gross.
to your
My
Snapchat
quote?
story, night love you all.
Oh, I say that all the time. Quit! I'm gonna kill you!
I said, ew, gross to your face.
Don't do that. Damn it.
I JK.
Will you quit? Please stop.
Stop it. That's what
Stop it.
Hi, Casey.
What are you gonna say? Oh god, my
Yeah, I'm girlfriend. Look at that. It's Denny Undies.
Oh my god. Oh my red socks! They're clean. I hate you.
They were Denny Undies. Quit messing with my camera.
Oops. Sorry.
Savannah said you weren't kidding though. Yes, I was.
Bone cramp. What the heck?
I'm on his phone. Oh, by the way, if you guys see a glare right around this area of the screen or something.
Sorry, because it's my window.
No, it's not. My camera's broken.
Oh.
There's like a crack right on the bottom of it, so yeah. Nah, it's true though.
Look at that.
I'm gonna kick you. No, I got something more dangerous than my foot.
Crystal?
Don't worry about it.
I want to know what your most dangerous thing is, except your foot.
That's what's more dangerous.
I'm destroying your igloo.
It wasn't even Cameron. Cameron. Oh, Cameron's just gonna help. And if you guys don't have me on Snapchat, I'll put that in the description below.
Oh yeah, put me in the descriptions below
Because
too.
I love all you guys, and you guys love me too, so.
Well, everybody loves me.
Crystal. We're playing Minecraft. Well, I mean, I'm not. I have no control over the Minecraft. They are.
Yay! So much fun.
I sent her a Snapchat video.
That's cool. What are you doing, my home?
Who wants to kill you?
I want to kill you.
Oh my god, I love these pictures of you.
Shut up, Crystal. What pictures?
That one.
Oh,
I love that one.
No, I don't like that one. I like this one.
I
Let me
like-
see it.
I don't like the other one. Is that what we're talking about?
I like that one. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, when Dennis really tries, he's a good looking kid, but other than that, he's not.
Thank you. I try all the time.
I mean, when you seriously try.
Yeah, I do seriously try.
Uh-huh. Yes! He's got a belt!
Let go. Oh, it's kind of broken. She's gonna scare me now with the stool because I can't.
He beat me with a stool.
Don't throw my ties. They're really.
Hey, this is the tie I tried to rip off your neck.
Yeah, at the dance. I told my mom about that. She's like, oh.
I get violent really fast.
Huh?
I get violent really fast.
Yeah, you need to knock it off. That was really, really bad.
I'm on it, Jesus.
Hey, quit yelling.
No.
Knock it off.
I will call Robert if you keep keeping up your crap.
Mm-hmm. He comes here.
He'll get his military butt up here.
Who would kill him first before he even stepped in the driveway?
Me.
No, my mom.
No, me, because no one's
My
allowed
mom
to
is
kill you.
very,
No one's
very
allowed to
bad.
kill you but me. Do it.
Don't.
Do it.
I'll throw it.
Do you have any pictures of me?
No, I don't have any pictures of you because I'm not.
You're an
Ew, it smells terrible.
Sit here, take a selfie. First, I take a selfie. No,
Yeah, that's terrible.
It
Don't
is
ever
terrible.
say that again.
I don't like it.
What is this world?
It's an ugly song.
Oh my god, wait, have you guys seen my first house?
Who's Jay Kennedy?
That's Jordan. Jordan goes skating in ninth grader.
Yeah, I know, Jordan Phillips.
Yeah, she's doing homeschooling now, again. What are you playing? Is that my notes? For 3 days of note? 3 days every video? Is it? You're such a game. Your thing's not recording anymore.
Yeah, it is. Sending Caitlin a Snapchat. It's his bitch. You're terrible. Shut up.
Look, this is my first house ever.
Like, kill you.
Did you know this? This is my first house.
Alright, guys. This is kind of just a little bit of a vlog thing. I don't know how often.
This is my favorite part.
If you guys watch my broadcast.
Yes.
Oh! Well, if you guys watch my broadcast,
There's nothing in here.
I don't know
Hey,
how often
stop.
I'll be going live anymore.
This world is so old.
What does that say? Faith Van Buren. I don't know. Well,
I have not. This is like my first world. This was like 2.5 years ago. Well, I was planning on going survival and never did.
well, I don't know how often I'll be going live anymore. I'm gonna go live after this, actually.
I'll be in YouTube video after this, actually.
And no one cares what you're gonna do.
No one cares what mom's gonna
Well, I was gonna make a sex joke out of that, but we're on camera, so I'm not going to. Well, this is
do.
Rocket. So peace out. Wait,
This is
peace
the-
out. There we go.
Oh yeah,
My sign off is like peace out.
This is
Hey, click the thing. Peace out.
no.
Cameron, click the thing.
No, this
Cameron!
this is Red Panda 370. That's my YouTube channel.
I'll be putting it in the description below.
Mhm.
So this is Rocket. Peace out.
My channel, my
Hit the button. Peace out.